Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of TikTok not uploading videos. The first thing you should try is putting your phone on airplane mode. It sounds simple, but it can help refresh your network connection. To do this, swipe down on your phone's control center and turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off. This will give your network a quick refresh, and it might just fix the uploading issue. To make sure your internet is working, you can also open a web browser and try visiting any website to check your connection. If everything's fine, you can move on to the next step. The next thing you want to do is restart the TikTok app. Sometimes the app might be glitching or frozen, which could be why your video isn't uploading. To restart, swipe up to close the app and then reopen it. This simple restart can sometimes solve the problem. Once you're back in the app, try uploading your video again and see if that works. If restarting the app didn't work, the next step is to clear the TikTok cache. Over time, cache data can cause issues with app performance. To do this, go to your profile in TikTok. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Free Up Space. Tap on that, and then tap Clear Cache. This will clear out any temporary files that might be causing the problem. Now, try uploading your video again and see if it works. If clearing the cache didn't help, you may need to check if there's an app update available. Sometimes an outdated version of TikTok can cause uploading issues. On iPhone, go to the App Store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and look for updates. If there's an update available for TikTok, go ahead and update it. For Android, open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and check if there's an update available. Update the app and try uploading your video again after the update finishes. Another common reason why videos won't upload is they're too long or too large in size. TikTok has a video length limit of around 10 minutes. If your video is longer than that, you may need to reduce the length or file size. Try trimming the video or compressing it to make sure it falls within TikTok's limits, and then try uploading again. If none of the above steps worked, it's possible that TikTok's servers are down or experiencing issues. Sometimes their servers can become overloaded, causing uploading issues. To check if TikTok is down, you can search TikTok down on Google or visit websites like Down Detector that track app outages. If you see that TikTok's servers are down, you'll just have to wait until the issue is fixed. Don't worry, it should be resolved quickly. If all else fails, the final step is to delete and reinstall the app. Don't worry, you won't lose your account or your videos. To reinstall TikTok, long press the app icon, select Remove App and confirm. Then go to the App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok, and reinstall it. Once installed, sign back into your account and see if the issue is fixed. And there you go. These are the steps you can take to fix the issue of TikTok not uploading your videos. I hope one of these methods works for you. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tricks. See you next time.